Hello students, now let us see the number system Sainik previous year questions which have come in the question papers, right? We will solve those questions and see how to do, and these questions are very important. You have to practice them and be perfect with them. Let us see the first chapter, that is number system. If you see the first question, what it is: form the smallest 6 digit numeral by repeating any 2 digits from 3816. Why? Because there are only 4 digits are given, we have to find 6 digit number. So what are the given digits here? If you see, given digits are 3, 8, 1 and 6. We have to form 6 digit smallest number. 6 digit smallest number by repeating what? 2 digits. So by repeating 2 digits we have to repeat it. So if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, so to form the smallest number we have to repeat the smallest number first. Here, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number, so let us repeat that. And after that, which is the smallest? 3 is the smallest, so repeat that also. And then 6 and 8, right? So if you take 6 here and 8 here, that will be the smallest, isn't it? So 113368, 113368 is option A here, isn't it? That is the smallest. So if you can go with the option, that is very easy, isn't it? If you see, what will happen here? 113368 is there. So after that, if you see B option, 113638, so it is what? 3638, it is 3368. So this is the smaller, and if you compare here, then this is also 3600. This is like only 4 digit, not possible. So answer option will be option A only. Got it? Yes? How to do? I hope you understood. Okay, so now let us go to the next, that is 115 question. Now let's go to the next, that is 115. What is the question here? Which of these is not a symbol used in Roman numerals? So if you see option A, it is X. X means 10. So that is used in the symbol, right? So X is 10 and V is 5 and L is 50. Do we use K in the numeral system? No. So we don't use K. So that will be the answer option. So this is not there. Understand? So this is not used. So answer will be option C, K. Right? Now let's go to the next here. That is 116 question. Yes? Now let's do the next, that is 116 question. So what it is? The successor of the largest 7 digit number. So what is the largest 7 digit number? That is 999. We have to write 7 times. Successor means plus 1. So it will become largest number plus 1 means the next smallest number. So that will be 8 digit number, right? So that answer you have to do in the shortest way. Or if you want, you can do like this. That is successor. How do we find? We add. What do we add? 1 we add. The next number. So largest 7 digit number. What is the largest 7 digit number? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7. This is 7 times. So plus 1 we have to do. So if you add 1, what will happen? This is 0, 1 carry. Then all will become 0, 1 carry, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 1 will be. That is 1 carried here. 9 plus 1, 10 it will be. So that is the smallest 8 digit number. That will be how much? 10 million or 100 crore it will be. So which will be the answer? Option B, right? So that is the answer, option B here. Now let's do the next question here, that is 117. So what is the question? In which in 36,481 the place value of 6. So you know the place value. What do you mean by the place value? So how do we find the place value here? We have to take the number and then write it, right? So here this is directly I will do. So if you see what is happening here, 6 is in the thousands place. So value of place value of 6 will be 6000. Place value of 6 will be 6000. Option A is the answer here. Got it? Very very easy question. Now 118. So what is it? That is the Hindu Arabic numerals for X, C, M, D respectively. These are what? These are the Roman numbers. You know that. So what will be the numbers in the Hindu Arabic for them? So X means 10. Now C means 100 and M means 1000 and D is 500. Right? So which is the option? 10, 100, that is 1000, M is 1000 and 500. So 10, 100, 1000, 500 is option A here, right? So that is the answer. Isn't it very very easy question? Now let's go to the next, that is 119 question. So if you see 119 question, the difference between the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number formed with the digits 2, 5, 8 and 0 is they are asking. Yes, so how do we find the answer for this? So see here, now 119, the difference between the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number formed with these digits. So let us write the greatest and smallest digit and then we can easily find the difference. So right, so we have to find the difference. So 4-digit we need. So what we have to do? We have to find 4-digit which number? That is greatest and smallest number from which of the digits? That is 2, 5, 8 and 0 here. So write down those digits here. So if you write it down, what answer will come? Greatest will be, so 8, then 5, then 2 and 0, and smallest will be 2, 0, 5 and 8. What we have to find? We have to find the difference. We have to find the difference means we need to minus them. So minus it, 0 minus 8 is 2, that is 10 I have taken, and then it will be 1, 1 minus 5 is 6, that is 11, here 4 minus 0, 4, and then here 6, 6, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 2 is option C is the answer here, right? So very easy, just understand the question and you will be able to do easily. Let's go next, 120. So find the sum of the largest and the smallest number which can be formed by these. So the same thing here. So just form the largest, that is the greatest, and the smallest, and we have to add it here. Sum means we have to add, not the difference. Here difference is there, minus. So sum is there, you do the sum. This is very easy. So I will give you homework. Okay. So after that, 121 question. The smallest 5-digit number using, so that is also easy. Smallest, so we have to write what? 2 first, after that 0, because if you write 0 then no, here 2, 0, 8, 5, 1 is there. Yes, 1 is the next smallest after 0. So we have to write first 1 and then 0, isn't it? So answer will be 10258. 10258 means option A will be the answer here. That is the easy question. Okay, so you do homework. Now 122, write the following numeral in the Hindu Arabic. So this is the number in the what? That is Roman. So we have to write. So M means how much? M means 1000. So 1000. If you are not able to do, you can write it like this down. So 1000 and CM. CM means M is 1000, C is 100. So 1000 minus 100, it will be 900. And then LX, X, it is how much? That is L means 50, 60, 70. So 70 and IV means 4. So if you add them all, what you will get? 1974. 1974 is option A here, or directly you should write that is 1000, that is CM means 900, and then LXX means 70, and then IV means 4. So 1974, directly you can write both the ways here. So anything it is correct. Okay, let's do the next 123 here. So what is the question? Write the following Roman numeral in Hindu Arabic. So you will do homework. This is very easy. CC means 100. So CC 2CC means 200. XL is 40. IX is 9. So 249. Option A will be the answer. Do it as homework. Now 124 question. So arrange the following number in descending order. Which order? Descending means decreasing order. So let us see the options. You will directly get to know, right? So here if you see first option A, this is 63,851. 63,815. Descending order means big to small we have to write. So big to small. So is it big to small? We will check and then we can get it easily. So this is 63,800, right? So this is 851, 815 here, and then what? 185. Yes, that is, this is 800, this is 100. Okay, so that is bigger only. So here 835. After 100, 800 will not come. That is 61,000 it is, but 61,835. This is 63,185. So this will be the smaller 61,000. So next 61,385. So this is 800, 61,800. This is 61,300. Yes, that is only the correct answer then, right? So that is only the correct answer. If you see B, this is 63,851, 60,815, 61,835, 63,000. After 61,000, 63,000 will not come. That is why not possible. Like this, none of will come answer. So that is only answer option A is the possible. Okay, so A is only the possible answer here. Let's do next. Write 79 in Roman number. So how do we write 79? We know that is 70 means 50 plus 20. So 50, L means 50, X means 10, 60, one more 70. Now 9 is IX. So L, X, X, IX. Which is the answer? That is option A is the answer here. Very, very easy questions, right? This is how the questions will be. Okay, these are the last year questions only. Next, here subtract the difference from the sum of the largest and the smallest 5-digit number. Subtract the difference of difference from the sum. What we have to do? First find the difference and the sum, and that answer we have to subtract. Okay, so from what? Largest and the smallest 5-digit number. So let us do first. So we will first find the difference only. Easy, right? So difference will be largest and smallest 5-digit number. So largest 5-digit number will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we have to write. And then smallest 5-digit number will be same, that is 10,000 it will be. So we have to find the difference means minus it. So it will be 89,999. And the sum will be, what will be the sum? Sum if you take, that is same thing, 99,999 greatest, and then smallest is what? That is 10,000, right? So 10,000. So if you add them both, what answer will come? It will be more than 1 lakh, right? So if it is more than 1 lakh and then this is 89,000, we have to subtract them, right? So answer will come 20,000, option A here. So if you want me to write add, I will add them. Okay, so see here, if you add 9999 then 10, so 1,09,000 will come. So both we have to subtract now. So subtract them. What answer will come? That is 1,09,999 minus how much? That is 89,999. So if you subtract here 0 0 0 0 and then 10 minus 8 2, so 20,000 you got. So answer option A, right? So read the question and understand. Don't be hurry, okay, don't be in a hurry. So read the question and understand, it will be very easy. So just that, subtract the difference from the sum. So this is the sum, this is the difference, we have to subtract the difference from the sum, right? Just minus it, subtract this, you will get the answer. Very very easy questions. Yes. Now 127 here, the difference between the place value of 7 and 3. So 7 and 3 place value difference. So here if you see the question, it is like this. So 7 is where place value directly 7 is 7. After that, how many digits are there? There are 6 digits, right? 6 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is, it will be 70 lakh, right? So this is 75 lakh 31,000, right? That is yes. So 70,000, 70 lakh, and then 3 is where? 3 is here. So 3 you write it, and then it will be 30,000. After that, zeros. How many digits are there? That many zeros. So difference they are asking, right? So difference means minus it. So 70 lakh minus 30,000, it will be 69 lakh 70,000, right? Remaining. Yes. So which is the answer? 69 lakh 70,000. Option D. Yes, option D is the answer. Very easy questions, right? These are very easy questions. Now let's do next 128 here. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using these two digits. Only once. So least, greatest and least, you know, greatest and smallest, both. So you write it and find the difference. That is very easy. Or should I do? Yes, will you be able to do? This is easy question. Do it as homework. Now 129 now. The product of an even number and its successor is always. So let's take an example and understand. It will be easy. Yes. So product of an even number and its successor. Successor means the next number. So example, if you take what? Even number 2. Successor will be 3. So if you product means multiply them. So product will be what? That is 2 into 3. 2 3 is a 6. Right? Next, if you take second question, any question. So is always they are asking, is always. Yes. So next, if you take even number, let's take 8, and successor will be next, that is 9. 8 9s is how much? 72. So it will always be even. It will always be what? Even number. What? It will always be an even number. Answer option B, right? Answer option B here. So this is even, and this is also even number, right? So that is why it will be even number. So answer is option B here. Got it? I hope this is easy. Now let's do the next, that is 130 question. Write the Roman numeral CMXLIV in the Hindu numeral, Hindu Arabic numeral. So this is how much? CM means 900, XL is 40, IV is 4. So 944, that is option A is the correct answer. Yes, very easy. Now let's do the next, that is 131 here. If 75.1275 is divided by 15, then quotient is. So we have to divide it, right? So let us divide it. You can do both the ways, long division or the direct division. I will do direct and both. Okay. So 75 point how much? 125. That is 1275. It is 1275. It is there. 1275 divided by how much? It is 15. So now let's divide it. 15 table directly. You should remember 15 table, right? So it is 75 in the starting. So 15 5s are how much? 75. So 15 5s are 75 here, and then after that what will come? that is point is there, so take point here as it is. Decimal is there, give the decimal, and then 1 is smaller than 15, so 15 zeros we have to take, and then it will become 2, you take into 12, so 12 is also smaller, zeros are. Next we have to take 5 here, so 15 how much, so that is 15 8s are 120, so 5.008, 5.008 is option A is the answer, right? So you don't have to do, so that is 5.0085 will be the answer. 5.0085 is the answer here. Or you can do the, that is long division method also. So in the long division, that is you take like this, right? So divide with 15, so 75.1275 divided, right? So 15 5 is a 75. Now minus it 0, point is there, give the point, right? And then here 1 we have to take, then 2 we have to take, this is all smaller, so give the zeros, then 7, so 15 5 is a 15 7s are, that is 15 8s is how much, 120. Now 7 will be remaining, you take 7, then 75 it will be, so that is how you do it, right? So 5.008 option is option A here. Now next 132 question. So it is I am a prime number, if you add 4 to me I become divisible by 5. Which number I am? So here go with the options. So it is should be a prime number. Yes, this is a prime number, right? Then 19 is also prime number, 29 is also prime number, 31 is also prime number, all are prime number. So let's add now. So 4, if you add 4 to me, so if you add 4 here, it will be how much, 20, yeah, that is 15 here. 11 plus 4 is 15, so it is divisible by 5. Yes, divisible by 5. Yes, so that is only the answer. If you add here 19 plus 4, it will be 23, so that will not be divisible by 5. Now here 29 plus 4, if you add, it will be how much, 34, that is 33, that is also not divisible. 31 plus 4, if you do, it will become 35. Yes, it is also divisible. So here both can be the answer, option A and D. Understand? Okay. Now next, so 133. So what is the 133 question? In the Roman numeration, if a symbol is repeated, its value will be added, right? It will be added. So answer will be option A here. We know. So this is x and x means 10 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20 now. So that is, it will be added. It will be added. So it will become 20 answer, right? So that is the answer, option A will be the answer. Now 134 here. So which of the following numbers in Roman numeral is correct? So which is correct? So this is, we know 9, that is the correct, right? Here XL we can write, that is 50 minus 10, 40 here. VC, we don't write VE, so we don't write VE, we only write in front of the number, that is 1, 10, 100, right? Like I, X and C we write it in front, not the V. So that is why it is not the answer. Okay, which of the following numeration is incorrect? So that is C is the incorrect. So here C we can write in front. So it is D means 500. 500 minus 100 will be how much? That is 400. CD is 400, right? That is the answer, option B is the answer here. That is, it is incorrect. Okay. Now 135 here. On dividing 1987 as well as 1981 by 3-digit number n, we get the same remainder. Then the digit, sum of the digits of n is, they are asking, right? So let us take it. Let's understand. So here what we have to do, I will first explain you with an example. So let us take a smaller number. So here there are two numbers. So that is let me take 13 and here 18. Let me take any other number, not 13. Let's take 15 and 18. So it is divisible by which number? It is divisible by 3, right? So let's not take perfectly divisible. Let me take 16, and here that is 20, right? So if you divide with 3, here remainder will be 1, right? And here let's take here if you divide 3 5s are 15, remainder will be 1. If you take here, let's take 19, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 3 6 are 18, 1 will be the remainder. So if you minus it, now if you minus these two numbers, that is 19 and 16, you will get answer 3. That remainder will get cancelled out, so answer will 3. So this is divisible by 3. The answer what we get after subtraction, this is divisible by 3, that is 3 divisible, right? So the same principle you have to apply here. What we have to apply? You have to apply the same principle. This will apply for all the numbers, okay? So let us see here. What is that? So the number given is what? That is so here the number given is 1987 and 981. There are two different numbers. So the remainder is same, they are telling. The remainder is same, right? So let us take it. So that is 1987 and 981. So if you minus, that will be divisible by this number n. So that should be 3-digit number, right? So let us take it. If you minus, what answer will come? That is 7 minus 1 6, then 8 minus 8 0, then 19 minus 9 is 10. So 1006 will come. So this is a 4-digit number. So 3-digit number we need. So let us find the factors of it. So if you factorize this, 1006 is a even number. So let's divide with 2. 2 5s are 10, 0s are 0, 2 3s are 6. So 503. 503 is now prime number. So 503 ones are 503. So here 1006 we can write it as what? 2 into 503. So 2 into 503 means here the answer will be, we need which number? 3-digit number we need. We need what? We need a 3-digit number here. So which is the 3-digit number factor? The 3-digit number factor is 503. So 3-digit number will be what? 503 here. So if you add the digits, their digits, what answer will come here? That is 503 is there. Add the digits. So add them. It will be 5 plus 0 plus 3 will be 8 answer, right? So 8 is the answer, option C here. Got it? It is very easy question, okay? So once again you watch it and you will be able to understand. Now let's do the next, that is question number 136. So predecessor of 1 billion. Predecessor means the number before, right? So before number of 1 billion. So to find that we have to minus 1, right? So predecessor 1 billion, how is it written? So it will be what? 9 zeros will be there. How many zeros? 9 zeros will be there. That is a 1 billion. So if you minus 1 from that, it will be what? There are total 10 digits here. So 9 digits will be there. That is 9 will be repeated. So here 10 minus 1, carry it. So 9 9 9, how many times? 9 times, right? So it will be 9 times. That is 999,999,999, right? So which will be the answer option? So let us count here. 3 here, 3 here, 3. Yes, that is answer option A is the answer, right? So if you see in the C, there are 3 3 6, there are 6 to 8, so 8 are there, so not possible. Only answer option A is the possible, okay? So that is the what? Predecessor of 1 billion. Predecessor means one number before, so minus it, okay? So hope you understood, you practice these questions. These are very, very important. This is the type of questions which have been asked. Previous questions, these are Sainik questions. So all the best, practice well. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.